Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to set auto clean function in LG AC Dual Inverter 2022 model. Firstly you need to turn on the AC. So it is set at 24 degrees temperature. So after that you need to click on this function button. Here the auto clean function is continuously blinking. So if we click on any other function, if you have any other function supported by your AC, it will show here. So for this model only auto clean function is set here. So we need to click on set. So our auto clean function is set. It will only run in standby mode, so we need to power off the AC. Before that, let's know what is the use of this auto clean function. This auto clean function will clean the evaporator coils inside the indoor unit. So the blower will set to lower speed and the wings will be headed to upside, and the dust or humidity present on the coils will be removed using this. So it will run up to 30 minutes at lower speeds so that the evaporator coils will be cleaned. For that, after getting it after setting this, we need to turn off. So as you can see, the logo which is visible there, CO clean, that is clean mode. Now the wings will move to the upper direction and the fan speed will be very low, and in the remote it will be showing here. Once the operation is complete, this option will be removed automatically. As you can see, the wings are moving into upper direction and the blower is set to very low speed. You can hear the voice. Now the air will be pushed to, with the force of the air, the coils will be cleaned. That's it for the video. After 30 minutes it will automatically shut down, so there is no need to worry. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.